fall decor before, because like I don't want to do like a whole traditional orange and stuff, like, so I never did it before. But I've been seeing some really cute stuff, and I think I want to do some fall decorations. And I'm at Dollar Tree, probably gonna do some DIYs. I already got a couple of things earlier from another Dollar Tree. I'm at a different one right now. So you guys, all the fall stuff is like freaking wiped out, like gone, like gone. Look at JV and Renaya when they was little. Look at them. Y'all, she gonna kill me, but I don't know how Renaya's baby would end up in here. What's wrong, buddy? Okay, so at my other apartment, don't worry about my hair. Anyway, in my other apartment, I got glitter and stuff. I had a picture wall, so like most of these pictures just come from the other apartment. I'm just adding Bryson and Juicy. Anyway. Look at my wall. Look at my wall. Look at my walls. Look, it's so cute. What, boy? Anyway, look at my wall. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Look at Jay. Look at Jay, y'all. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at Renaya. She gonna kill me. She gonna kill me. Look. Look at Renaya, y'all. Look at Bree. She gonna kill me too. Oh, she definitely gonna kill me. What you doing, bud? Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, let me show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. Alright, so I came to another Dollar Tree, but I didn't come to no Dollar Tree in the suburbs. I came to the Dollar Tree in the hood because I know they ain't trying to decorate. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what they got. Y'all, I had seen an idea that I may want to do. I might want to do it. Dollar Tree haul. I only spent $8. $8.66 to be exact. I got this. I got one of these and one of these. Two different champagne and then a regular gold. And then a champagne. And then one book. And I can't get it up. Can't get it up. 2 books. And then I'll show y'all, and then some wrapping paper. And then I'll show y'all what I'm going to do with that later. Okay, while that first coat dries, I'm just gonna, this is gonna be glitter, I believe. So, I'm just gonna do this the same color because it's not gonna matter. Okay, so I got these from Walmart, and this is the color I've been looking for, like this brown or brass color. That's the last color I wanted to go with, but I got those from Walmart. That was 98 cents. I've been having these charger plates from Dollar Tree for the longest, but I didn't know what I was gonna do with them, but I was thinking about just making a centerpiece like that. But I got these for something else, so I was thinking about just going to get some more. I mean, they was $1, and they had different ones. I think I need to go to a different Walmart. video I seen on these, she used stickers, but I'm gonna just use a marker. Okay, my baby markers. And she had black, so this is a good way to get brown. Back to Walmart, and I don't know why this flash is on. Anyway, I got these leaves. It was this one little bundle. It's $3.47, and some more of these. They did not have the colors that I was going with. I might keep this one the same color, and I'm probably gonna paint these. I like this one because it was different. I'm gonna have to get some more frames. Like, they come in a box. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get some more frames. This is the wall so far. Look at that. Okay, this is my wall. Elmo, this is Elmo. He's not gonna be here for long. Just until after my baby's birthday. This is it so far. I'm still gonna get some frames. I had got these two from Dollar Tree. When I put this B in here, it was straight and it fell. And then I was like, oh, he got his own little logo now. That's his logo. I need to copyright that. Don't steal it. Do not steal his logo. It's for Bryson, not y'all. Look at my stinking. Okay, I'm gonna stop showing y'all him. But anyway, yeah, so that's my wall when y'all come in. Stop playing. Stop playing with me. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Yeah. Okay, that's it for that. All right, bye. Okay, so I have to do a voiceover because Bryson was crying so loud. Okay, so these pillows I have got from Five Below. Yeah, so I had to get the pillows from Five Below. I had my BFF Brittany print some stuff on those. The blanket I got from Five Below as well. She printed some leaves on those. So yeah, I'm gonna put her information below so y'all can hit her up. Yeah, y'all see how this turned out. Yeah, y'all see my TV on the wall now. My baby can't be hitting my TV no more. Yeah, I'm gonna get that cord thingy to hide my little cord. Yeah, I don't know what Bryson was watching. Never mind that. But yeah, look at him. He's a crybaby. But yeah, we're gonna close it out here. All right, y'all.